Good morning, gang. What is up, bruh? Hey, I've been up since 6 o'clock. It is literally like 7 something right now. Right now, you already know what time it is. About to make me some cereal.
Yo, YBH.
See where we at right now. I'm a little bit early. I'm way early, but it's okay. So I'm waiting on. Alright, what's up, y'all? We out here at Riverside. Sub Nation, Naptown. I'm early though, so ain't really nobody out here. But what's up, man? I know I've been gone for a little bit, for like a year, but I'm back. I got a new camera, new quality. So make sure y'all subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure y'all like this video. I'm about to show y'all how my city, Naptown, Indianapolis, Indiana, I'm about to show y'all how we get down with our cars, our vibe, our culture, and bring y'all into our world. So let's get it.
What's up? This your girl Tawana, Delicious Dog 219. We out here at Riverside. Come and get you a good beef hot dog. What we got? We got beef hot dogs. We got Scott Peterson's. We got hot polishes. Look for the pink car. Your girl Tawana, Delicious Dog, baby.
Ryan, come and help me.
Alright, first promote like the name of it.
Okay, it's Monet's Kitchen. And this is our chicken spaghetti. We have the chicken spaghetti. And that comes with a garlic bread. And you can choose get two sides with that, which would be the baked beans and green beans. We have the green beans here, baked beans here, and then we also have chicken wings. We also have the chicken wings. Alright, and that comes with a drink or water for only $15.
Where they can find you at?
Oh my goodness, I don't know her stuff.
Say Stunt Sundays.
A Stunt Sunday. We'll be here every Sunday and Saturday.
Alright.
baby. That's why this out for a cold one, man. What happened, man?
Hey, I just copped some new glasses. How y'all feeling these? Like the video if you like them. Like the video if you don't like them. Either way, like the video. We out here at Riverside. It's getting fat. It's getting there. We ain't there yet, but we almost there. Let's get it. Hey, this go crazy. I'm trying to eat and work at the same time, and it's not working because I see cars coming in and I have to hurry up and close my food and then go film. Just like this, just like that, like what I just said. Yeah, this boy hard. Yes, sir. Look at the color change. Two-door. See that shape? Alright, I'm gonna try to finish my food. You feel me? Eating and working. That's how you do. Grind don't stop. But when you're hungry, you gotta eat. But when the grind gets, I don't even know what I'm talking about. So I'm out here. Eating some baked beans, you feel me? It's fire. Ooh wee. They're coming back to back. Oh yeah, this all black one hard. I like this one. Red calibers. And bro, look at these kids. I'm dead. They funny as heck. I don't even know they've been recorded for real. Alright, that lawn, look at that lawn though. That's kind of crazy, okay.
Baby, I just wanna show everybody some shit.
think about that? Yeah.
YouTube Music is a music app.
Traffic.
Just saying, beautiful. I know a clique got more ripples than steppers. One gon' shoot something, maybe out of 10 of them. See what I'm saying?
You already know what I'm waiting on right there. You already know if y'all really rock with me, if y'all first timers to the channel, one of my favorite cars is a Monte Carlo. Shout out to Big D on Brentwood. I rode on his Monte Carlo when I was like 8 with a permanent marker in front of my grandma's crib because I liked it. Shout out to Big D. SS. Dang, they just closed down the park. So y'all know what that means. MLK. So for all the newcomers, for all the people who ain't from our city, y'all just watching. When they do this, we just go to MLK. We just ride up and down MLK. MLK is literally like a couple streets over from here. And we just continue the show there. Anyways, well, let me get this car right here that I've seen. Can nobody get in no more? Right there. Get in, dude. He's still trying to turn in. Right.
Yo!
Alright, Naptown, we out. My camera about to die. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I'll see y'all next Sunday. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we out.